Still no sound in the RCF, so we kept digging and found a Reddit post saying that there's a hidden diagnostic screen. Hold the menu button and cycle the lights 3 times. We tried that and somehow everything checked out. Amp showing fine, system showing fine, but the speakers completely silent. Then we took a closer look at the replacement amp we installed. Same shape, same size, looks identical to the original, but the part numbers were completely different. Wrong amp this whole time. So we cracked open the original amp to see if we can get it running, and yeah, it was pretty much cooked. Water damage, corrosion, white powder everywhere, completely destroyed inside and out. We ordered the exact correct amp, so these are identical. When I plug this in, this is supposed to fire up the audio. It's the moment of truth. I'm actually very anxious to turn this on. Now if we press the radio, there's no sound. There's still no sound. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Plugged it in and started the car and still no sound. At this point, the RCF is testing every bit of patience we have. So let's continue digging into this and let's find the culprit. See you guys in the next one.